In this video, we'll explore how to charter a private jet through privatejethireservice.com. You will learn about the entire process step by step, from understanding your travel needs to booking and enjoying your flight, ensuring a smooth and luxurious travel experience tailored to your specific requirements. Before chartering a private jet, it's crucial to fully understand your travel needs. Identify your destination, travel dates, and the number of passengers. Additionally, consider any special requirements, such as accessibility features or specific onboard amenities, to ensure your journey meets all personal preferences and expectations. Visit privatejethireservice.com to explore a variety of aircraft options and services tailored for your travel needs. Familiarize yourself with the website's layout, which will help you navigate quickly to find vital information regarding aircraft specifications, pricing, and available amenities, streamlining your chartering process. To get an accurate quote for your private jet charter, utilize the quote request feature on privatejethireservice.com. Enter your travel details, including dates, destination, and passenger count, to receive precise estimates that outline aircraft availability and pricing, ensuring informed decisions for your travel arrangements. After receiving your quotes, carefully review the available aircraft options. Evaluate each jet based on size, flight range, comfort level, and onboard amenities. This thorough assessment ensures that the selected aircraft aligns with your travel needs and preferences, ultimately enhancing your private jet experience. Once you've chosen your ideal aircraft, move on to the booking process. Fill in any required additional information, confirm your travel details, and ensure accuracy. Don't forget to explore and review the various payment options available, so you can make a secure and informed transaction for your charter flight. Before your flight departs, it's crucial to complete a pre-flight checklist. Confirm your travel itinerary for accuracy, finalize any onboard catering requests to enhance your comfort, and review all necessary travel documents. These preparations will ensure a smooth and enjoyable travel experience on your private jet. On the day of your flight, arrive promptly at the designated airport for a hassle-free experience. Enjoy the luxury and convenience that comes with private jet travel as you board your aircraft without the long lines typical of commercial airlines, setting the stage for an exclusive journey.